Today I'm fishing a lake that you guys have seen me fish lots in the winter and a few times kayak fishing this summer. I'm fishing it with Noah and Kurt from Northern Hogs. And our main goal today, we're going to attempt to catch a big fish. We're going to attempt to catch a PB because we know that there's big fish in this lake. It's a private lake that we have access to. And we'll see out on the water, see what we can get. I watched him eat it. Yeah, I know. Actually, that's nice, kind of. Yeah, finally I got a fish. What? Oh my god. Okay, just pass him up here. Okay, I'll take, if you can pass me the net. I watched him eat it. I just saw him in the water and then he's like, okay, this is getting to be messy. He just crushed that Senko. Came right out of under that tree.
Finally, the first good fish of the day. Probably the 2 times hopefully. We should definitely catch some bigger than that.
Yeah. So a bit of a mid-afternoon update here. We're just having lunch. Carter made some nice chicken Caesar wraps for us. And Carter's caught one fish, which was the smallest fish. I caught one fish, and then Noah caught 2 fish. So kind of slow, but hopefully it'll get better this afternoon. That's like a 3 at least. It's decent. Biggest fish of the day. Oh yeah. Oh. Okay, just pass him up here. He just like I thought I hooked a log in there. Did I? Yeah, that's not a bad fish.
That's 3 for sure.
I have the most weight now, probably.
Yeah. I have 3 pounds.
No, he's still there. I just had to start my GoPro. No, I'm good. So that's my 3rd fish of the day. We've been fishing for a while. You got one? Double. Carter, do you want it? Was he big? Was he big? Oh. Wow. Okay. Oh jeez, you got it. Was that on the popper? Oh jeez, you got him again. You have him. Okay, untangle it, handline it, handline it. Handline. You still have him. Get him. Oh, he's not a monster, but like still. You hooked him in the eye. Oh well, that's your fish. Over like 2 ounces. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Just release him. Oh, well, it's 7 right now. Yeah. Oh jeez. Oh, that's so tiny. I got that though. He like jumped right out of the water for it. Wow.
That was an aggressive fish.
It was.
Oh,
One trouble. you know if he's good in a second. He's, it's like a pound. Or a little bit. Whatever.
Roll popper on right now. Or bring the frog that pops over here. They're so aggressive. Lisa and I have caught like. Here's another one. That's better.
No, that was small actually, but like.
I caught one like 2 pounds, and then he caught one like a pound. And what, a little bit?
Yeah. Oh, I saw the. I didn't see the fish, but I saw the like wake. Okay. I got that on camera. Is he good? Oh! I feel like it's a pike. Oh no, it's a bass, I think. I think it's hard to tell. Is it a bass? I think it's a smallish bass. Yeah, it's a small bass. It's like at 1 something. Yeah, it's not bad. Just release it. Maybe. I don't know. Oh, I think so. Oh, it's not that big. Oh, it's decent actually. Net. Sorry. It's like maybe. Oh my god. We almost lost everything there.
We almost lost the fish.
No, we almost lost like my phone and stuff. Oh.
Holy shit.
That was bad.
That was
We're not doing that again. Okay.
Holy fuck.
I was recording the whole thing too. What? Like that way.
Sorry about that. I went to go get the nets.
I mean like 2.5. Not bad.
That was the size of my first one. He's not coming out. Oh man.
You thought he was... I went 4.
This is pathetic. I have literally no fish all day. A little bit of water here.
Yeah. No.
Most of it's from that little incident.
Did we actually like tip it like in the water?
You were close.
Oh, I wasn't moving. That's actually, oh my god, that's pathetic. It's a perch. Look.
Big perch for sure.
Yeah, well, it's that year class. There's like a population of that year class, I guess. I just wasn't expecting a perch. We don't have to portage. We go under the culvert. Did you get any good footage there? Springtown. Because it's probably darker now than it was a little while ago.
So it was definitely an interesting night. We were supposed to get back around 8,
right when it got dark, but there was a pretty good topwater bite, so we stayed a little longer than we thought. We didn't get back till 9, so it was a bit of an adventure going back through the stumps and everything with the canoe and kayak. So, but it was a decent day at the lake. So I didn't really explain this very well, but me and Noah are doing a series of videos where we're gonna try to catch, either one of us gonna try to catch our personal best largemouth, and this was the first episode of that series, and it's gonna be at that certain lake. We're not gonna say the name of the lake because we don't want people, you know. But anyways, thanks for watching the first episode of the quest for a new PB, and we'll see you in the next one.